Hello everybody, today I want to show you how to earn money from Meta IA WhatsApp. Okay, I don't have the correct answer. I just say if you want earn money, can you use this app? Because if you want learn to new skills or learn how to create a good content for the social media, because the other thing that you can use or make with this is not is the good option, because if you want make different things, example HTML example, or this design webs, can you use ChatGPT, but use this app for make money. I don't have that is possible, that will possible. I don't know what is the correct word, because I think are idiot, but I know how say this idiot is very difficult. Sorry for my bad English. Is all for this video. Sorry for all. See you later. Have a good day.